All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at a few describe image sample answers. We'll start off here with a line graph. Now there's a few rules in order to report graphs or whatever your image is, and let's take a look at those steps again. Step 1, just say what kind of graph it is. Step 2, say how it's measured or what the graph or image is measuring. Step 3, make sure to report a high and a low feature. And step 4, give a conclusion. So for this graph here, we can see that there are several points along the graph, but we don't want to give every single point, only the main ones. So we can report where it starts, maybe in the middle, and the very end. So let's go through those steps with this one. The first step, say what kind of graph it is. So this is a line graph. Now we'll say how it's measured. It measures the amount of people playing online games around the world from 2000 to 2004, measured in millions. Now let's report a high and a low feature. So the first feature, from 2000 to 2002, the number of people playing online games increased significantly, rising from around 100 million people to almost 200 million respectively. We're just trying to talk about the numbers, and with line graphs we want to talk about how fast it grew, so that's why we say increased significantly, or talking about the speed of change. And our second change would be the end feature at the end of our line graph. The amount of people continued to grow dramatically to around 450 million people in 2004. Now, let's give a conclusion. Overall, the number of gamers grew over the years with a more substantial growth from 2002 to 2004. This altogether would be 5 points. If you do not give a conclusion, you would then have 3 points. So make sure you're always giving a conclusion, whether it's generalizing your overall trends, or if it's just giving the high and low feature again.